Yo, happy Sunday, fellas. So today I got something fairly cool. My friend just picked up his Turbo Dc2 Integra, so I'm going to be showing you guys that today. Do a quick walk around of that, showing you all the parts that he has on his car. So I'm just waiting for him to get here now. We're just up at this little car park here. Waiting for him. Whoa, the car looks pink. Hey. Got Lani sitting over there. We just had some lunch because we can't eat at the actual shopping center. So we got our burger. Oh, they even done like a little heart on your name. Yeah, they must. So we're just waiting for Breeze to get here now. I got one of the other boys also coming through this morning. Well, it's still morning? Yeah, it's still morning, just about. With the GTR. So see if we can do some pulls with him again.
Twerk it, baby.
So we got all the cars here today. We got Breeze's DC2, my Civic, and Chris's 35. I'm gonna take you for a walk around the DC2 quickly and show you what's happening under the hood. So here we got Breeze's engine bay. It's rocking a cheeky boosted V-series. Grand horn manifold with a GTX 3582. On only 11 pound at the moment, because it's still on the baby running tune, but he's on E85. It's got some grippies on the front too, so he can get his traction down nice and early. But yeah, overall, real nice build. We have a few options here today. You can either jump in the 35, the Civic, or the DC2. I think I'm going to jump in the 35. The flappy switches mean party time. Hey Chris. Woo! Let's go! Y'all niggas want to go? You good? Sweet. We off. So Chris, what do you like most about your GTR? The handling, the power?
Everything, mate.
Everything.
Except the payment.
Except the payment. I reckon my best thing about the GTR is just the looks, eh? And the taillights. I like the taillights.
Sexy, man.
I like the taillights.